Now let's see question number 3. This is a question related to the missing figure. Here it states, look at the pattern in the squares and understand their relationship to one another so as to fill the square with missing symbols. So you have here 9 boxes. Out of these you need to decode the correct pattern to obtain the missing figure. तो अगर यहाँ ध्यान से देखें तो we have a very prominent arrow. Arrow में क्या है? सबसे पहले it is moving towards or pointing towards the right side. Then it is coming to the center. Then it is again pointing to the left side. In the second case, it is just straight in the center. And on the last row you can observe it is pointing towards left, then it is moving to the center, then it is again supposed to be pointing towards the right side. This means if you are considering simply the arrow, then it should be pointing towards the right side like this. And when you observe these 4 options provided to us, out of these 4 options there is only one option in which arrow is pointing towards right. So just simply considering the pattern of the arrow, you can say that here option 1 is the correct answer. So you can write here answer for this question is option 1. There is no need to waste your time in decoding the other patterns. It's clearly giving you the answer as option 1. Now let's move on to the question number 4. Now let's see question number 4. This is a question related to direction sensing test. Here it states Danish starts walking towards east. After walking 75 meter, he takes left and then further he covers 25 meter. Again he takes left and covers 40 meter. After that he again takes left and covers the distance of 25 meter. And considering all these conditions, you need to obtain this answer where the question is how far is he from the starting point. So let's try to figure it out. Here we will be considering the distance firstly travelled by the Danish. Here firstly he is covering the distance of 75 meter towards east. Then he is taking left and covering the distance of 25 meter. After that he is taking left and covering the distance of 40 meters. Further, he is again taking left and covering the distance of 25 meter. Now, considering this condition, you can observe this is rectangular in shape and opposite sides of rectangles are equal. So, this is 25, this is also 25. So, this distance should be also 40 meter. Here, this total is 75 meter. This means the remaining distance here from this starting point should be of 35 meter. This is the distance from the starting point. So 75 minus 40, this is 35 meter. So out of these 4 options, now you can definitely say that option 2 is the correct answer. So you can write here, he is at the distance of 35 meter from the starting point. So option 2 is the correct answer for this question. Now let's move on to question number 5.